To initiate an international money transfer, a unique identifier known as a SWIFT code is used by some banks. This code helps ensure that funds are sent to the correct account by identifying the recipient's bank, country, and branch location. The transfer process involves the sender's bank communicating with the recipient's bank via the SWIFT network, and the recipient will receive the money once the SWIFT message reaches their bank. To use a SWIFT code for a transfer, one must first create an account with a bank that supports SWIFT transfers. Then, by logging into the account, an international wire transfer can be requested. The recipient's account number and their bank's SWIFT code must be provided, along with the desired transfer amount. It is essential to review the transaction details before submitting the request by following these steps. The transfer can be successfully completed using a SWIFT code.